Commanders morning. Hey, kumena le nizongireport ma commander. Hey, ukwazile mkhonto phela. Commanders morning. This message, I'm sending the message to the National High Command. As the TikToker of MK Party, I'm proud bafethu. Ayiqalene ngiyenzile video bangireport. Dayi remove atangishange warning. I will come back again, but labanzo ba block. My commander, to the president and the top 8, we are having a problem lapha legislature. Sicela ukuthi nifixe impumalanga. Uyabona national manje right? Sicela ukuthi nifixe impumalanga. The legislature people, we're going to have a problem. Kuna 7 yabantu. They are coming in one region. Asibazonde. Remember this. Ihert yisebenzile bafethu. If people they have worked, asifuna ukuluza masipala lapha eGert sibande. Sicela ukuthi bantu baseGert bangene president lapha. Njengoba nikuyenzile ku national. Sicela ukuthi nibakhiphe. Labantu nifake kabusha. Kunalabanye khona lapha legislature ba right ngathi ngithu yabo ngeke ngikhulume ngamagama yabo. Nasenkomazi president. Sicela ukuthi nisifakele umuntu loyi-1 la enhlazini. Sicela umuntu loyi-1. Lisiti lelinye commander. Sicela ukuthi liphumele Thabachwewu. Thabachwewu has worked, my president. Bafazi la ku party yethu ukukhombekisa ngathi abathatheliwe enhloko my president. 7 yemadoda. I think ukuthi ngathi 8 yemadoda. Mfazi ngathi bekayi-1. Siyacela president ukuthi labantu bamixwe. Because labantu lapha legislature bayenzani manje? Baphuma lapha legislature basebenza umsebenzi we detachment we province. At the end of the day, uma bacala kwenza lokho, bazoza kini bathathe umsebenzi wenu. Abasafocus legislature. Bazoyenza izinto eziphume eceleni. Sithi njengoba khulumile president, wonke ma sub-region la asebenzile. Sicela ukuthi bathole lokhu bakudeservayo. Ngoba namhlanje ngeke bayihloniphe i-detachment. I'm telling you commanders, I'm telling you comrades, kusasihlupha kancanyana bafethu. So I wish nikwazi nokuzwisisa, because what is happening president, labantu babhizi baza kuwe bathi sikhulume no president, sikhulume no president. Le party akusiphathi emasosha. Uma sifika lapha ngisebenzisa le idea lami. Maruzuzwa umuntu athi ngikhulumile no president, upresident ufuna list. No, ayisebenze kanjalo. Lo muntu lo mfakile my president, ufuna ukuthi lo muntu lo noma kwazi ukuthi wena beka nawe ebusoshini. Comply. Uma akurespect umuntu uzombona ngale decision le uyithethe comply kuyo. But angajumpa lo muntu lo mchuzile eze kuwe. Funa ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi lo muntu dangerous noma kuwe dangerous. I wish ngathi ingafika ku everyone lapha ku top 8 na ku chief whip indaba yaseMpumalanga. Sicela ukuthi niyithathele enhloko. The commanders of Mpumalanga, they love to steal. Bayathanda kutshontsha kakhulu because abasasebenza umsebenzi wabo. Basebenza umsebenzi walabanye. Bafunane eParliament ke. Abaphume ke eParliament. Beze bazobamba ke. Abaphume eParliament. Ngoba besicela ukuthi nibakhiphe nizoba phecha lapha ku province kusane space esiningi, bu spokesperson, bu fundraiser, kusane ma seat lamaningi. But bona baya misbehave. Siyofundani kubo. Sithi share the video, like the video. Commanders morning. I wish ukuthi president, you can feel what the people of Mpumalanga they are feeling. Thabachwewu, they deserve a chair. Inkomazi, they deserve a chair. Basebenzile ma commander lamaningi. Lo munye wakhona, he was a former convener. Usebenzile. He's supposed to go to the legislature. Namhlanje usasebenzisa imali yakhe. Ucomrade uMkhwebane akazange wabavalela phandle, ufike wabathatha athi hey guys asisebenzeni ngoba nani nisebenzile. We need the people that they can lead like advocate Busiwe Mkhwebane. Hayi labantu la kusho ukuthi bazovalela abantu ngaphandle hey angalithi lona ngoba bafuna kutshontsha. Nithi share the video, like the video, Commander Smony. Asibazondi but funa ukuthi abantu labasebenzile bathola izinto ebazisebenzelile. 2, le legislature funa ukuthi abantu labase legislature babhekana nendaba se legislature bangani abaphume mawadini abaphume uma bafuna ukuzosebenza le ground abaphume lapha sifake labanye. Share the video, like the video.